Hi, Mela. Good afternoon, Mela.
I wrote this one.
Sleep, Mela?
No.
No, you did not. Okay, so your mom told me that you went to school in the morning. What subject did you learn at school, Mela? What subject did you learn at school, Mela?
Um,
What subject is
I
that?
forgot.
Oh, you forgot. Okay, did you eat lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, Mila. So let me share my screen now and we will proceed directly to your book. And in here, Mila, I'm so sorry, but you have to write your answers again. Rewrite each sentences in correct order, and I want you to use full stops, capital letters, and question marks where it is necessary. Okay, so can you tell me the answer for the first one? Please write your answer, Mela, and yeah, take your time. Once you're done answering 1 to 5, we will then check all your answers.
Wait.
Just take your time, Mela. I'll wait for you. Mhm. The picture painted a woman beautiful. Okay. What about for two, Mela? Our team won the game. Okay. What about three? Last two, Mela. Last one.
I don't know.
Grace. Grace is a name of a person. Mela, it starts with her name. Grace tries on. And then can you continue? Grace tries on what? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, thank you so much for that, Mela. One thing I've observed is that um you you forgot to capitalize the first letter of the word in the third sentence. You have rewrite, Mela. Okay, so now the first one, the picture painted a woman beautiful. In here, Mela, this one is incorrect because a picture cannot paint anyone. Okay, so it should be a person first. Mela, who painted the picture? It's the woman, right? So it should be the woman painted a beautiful picture. Okay, there you have it. Mala, a woman painted a beautiful picture. Now, for the second one, our team won the game. Okay, this one is correct. The third one, Mela, it's not the kite flies in the sky high. It's the kite flies high in the sky. Okay, which means it's really far. Now, Mela, is in a high area. Okay, so the fourth one is correct. Who are on duty? Yes, we'll use a question mark here. And for the last one, Mela, it's not Grace tries on fitting dress in the room because yeah, we can say um fit fitted. It should be fitted dress, Mela, for this sentence to work. Grace tries on fitted dress in the room. But since we don't have fitted here, Mela, we have fitting, right? Okay, so it should be Grace tries on a dress in the fitting room. Okay, a fitting room, Melite, is a place wherein you would put on or try dresses before you buy them. Okay, wait, let me translate that. Fitting room.
Phòng thử đồ.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, that there you have it, Mela. So again, the woman painted a beautiful picture. Our team won the game. The kite flies high in the sky. Who are on duty today? Oh wait. Grace tries on a dress in the fitting room. Wait, I've observed something. It's not who duty are on today. It's who are on duty today. Okay, who are on duty today. That is the correct answer for the fourth one, Mela. Wait, let me translate it too. Who are on duty today?
Ai trực ca hôm nay?
Okay, so that is it, Mela. So yeah, more practice, especially in rewriting sentences. We'll do that next time. Let us have this one first, Mila. We have here a story about being sick, and all you have to do is to read it aloud and fill in the missing word. Don't worry, we have pictures above each blank that will guide you what word you should use. Okay, are you ready now, Mila?
Yeah.
Okay, so let us start now. Joel, Joel,
Joel was not feeling well. His mother took him to the nearby nearby medicine
it's not a medicine, Mila. See, it's a building, Mila. It's a building. What do you think is it? Patients, clinic, bed, temperature, medicine, or fever? A medicine is something, Mila. It is a capsule, Mila, that we drink. So, his mom took him to the
temperature.
nearby, not temperature, Mila. When we say temperature, it is how cold or how hot it is. Okay? Wait. Temperature.
nhiệt độ,
See? So his mother took him to the nearby. What is it? It's a
Um,
clinic.
phòng khám,
Okay, it's a clinic, Mila. Okay, can you continue?
there were many patients
Very good, Mila.
waiting to see the doctor. The doctor took Joel 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 temperature.
That's correct, Mila.
He had a high fever. The doctor gave him some medicine. He also advised Joel to rest in bed.
Okay, yes, very good, Mila. There you have it. Do you know what patience mean, Mila? Patience. Patience. Do you know what this word mean, Mila? Do you know
No.
it? No, you don't. Okay, wait. Patience. No, not. This is
tính
patience,
kiên
Mela.
nhẫn,
You would tolerate something, okay? But in here, Mela, it's a different way. Patience.
bệnh nhân,
Okay, these are people who needs medical treatment, Mela, treatment, okay? Patients, just like in here. And Joel was one of those patients in the clinic. Now, Mela, let us proceed to this one. Do you know what a thief is, Mela? Thief. What is thief, Mela? What is thief?
I don't know.
Okay, I will translate it, Mela, and I want you to express your ideas in English. Wait. Thief.
tên trộm, tên trộm,
What is it, Mela?
Oh,
What is a thief?
mm,
What is a thief?
is the billboard. The police want to try it.
Okay. So when we say thief, these are the people who would snatch other people's belongings nila. And of course, the police officers will catch them. Okay, just like what happened in here. See, you can see the police officer catching the thief. Okay, now in here, Mela, I want you to look at the pictures and the following sentences. So yeah, basically you have to match it, just like what we did in our previous activities. What happened in the first picture, Mela?
Um,
What is happening here?
uh, wait.
Okay.
Mm, um, Jenny was shopping in a shopping center.
Okay, yes, very good, Mela. That is one. What about for the second one? Two.
Suddenly, a man ran past her and snatched her handbag.
Very good, Mela. That's correct. Picture three now, Mela.
Uh, um, wait. She screamed for help, and three boys immediately chased after the man.
Okay, yes, great job. Okay, this is three. Now what about four?
Um, within minutes, they caught the thief.
Okay, yes, within minutes, they caught the thief. Okay, five, Mela. What do you think,
Um,
Mela?
Jen, Je- Jennifer Jennifer was very graceful and thanked the boys for their bravery.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Mela? Like 100% sure?
The thief was then handed over
Handed?
to a policeman.
Okay, yes, that is what happened in the fifth picture. Mela, the thief, was handed over to a policeman, which is what we can see in the picture right here. Here's the thief being handed over the policeman. Okay, and which means the last picture, Mela, it shows that Jennifer was very grateful and thanked the boys for their bravery. Okay, see, she is tapping their head. Okay, now, since we're done with that one, Mela, let us proceed to another one. And here, I want you to make 5 sentences again, Mela, about the picture. It's all about at the canteen. Do you know what a canteen is? Canteen?
Yeah.
What can we do at the canteen, Mela? What can we do at the canteen? We can. We can sleep. Can we sleep? Can we sleep at the canteen, Mela?
Um,
Yes, Mela. What is it, Mela? What is it?
why? Is
What can we do at the canteen? We can eat. We can eat.
very many.
Okay, yes, we can eat a lot of food, of course, variety of food. Okay, it's a place where we can eat our snack, and not only that, Mela, but it's a place where we can eat our lunch. Okay, with our friends, just like what is shown in the picture right here. Do you eat at school, Mela? Do you eat lunch at school? Do you eat lunch at school, Mela? Hello,
um
Mela. Do you eat lunch at school?
no.
Oh, okay. So you always go home. What about the snack? Do you have a snack?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you do. At least you do, Mela. Now, can you make your first sentence for this picture, Mela? First sentence. The children,
Um,
the children are
the children drink drink mm, drink. The children no, the children eat food.
okay, the children are eating. Okay, yes, are eating their food. Okay, yes, very good, Mela. Wait. Okay, yes, that is correct. And we will continue the last 4 sentences on Friday, Mela. So you can relax now. Thank you so much, Mela. Keep safe, Mela.
Goodbye, teacher.